Hello, it's me, Kat, and I'm here today with a gift for you, and this is our Friday Patreon video. It is a video from one of our well over 600 videos that we have. I just take one from the back and send it out here for you to enjoy. It will still be relevant, of course. All the videos are relevant, and if you decide that you want to receive one every day, 5 days a week, all year long, then come sign up. Go to patreon.com and sign up. You have 3 tiers to choose from. The first one is $5 a month, and that gives you a video every single day, except Saturday and Sunday, but every single weekday, Monday through Friday, a fresh new one. If you go to the second tier, which is $25, that's a mentoring from me once a month, personally helping you through our system, and you get the videos, so that's pretty cool. And then the third video, the highest tier that I have right now, is $50 a month. And that's for those of you who are looking for a little bit more. You want 2 personal mentorings a month of 25 minutes, and then you want to be able to access the videos. So these are the 3 tiers in Patreon for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon on Patreon. Hello, patrons. Can you focus? Can you? You know, I talk to a lot of my fly babies, and I discover that they take so long to do things, and it's because they are either hyper-focused or they're not focused. Hyper-focusing comes from perfectionism, and perfectionism means that you are doing such minutia with the thing that you're doing, and you're trying to do it so perfectly that it takes something that should take 5 or 10 minutes can take an hour or 2. I was talking to one of my fly babies, you know who you are, one of my patrons rather, you know who you are, and she was taking 4 hours to do something that should have taken her an hour and a half, maybe not that long. And I dug deep, and it was perfectionism. That's all it was, and not using some efficiencies. So make sure that you're focused on getting the job done and doing it right, but not doing it perfect. Not doing it perfect. Not trying to be so perfect that you miss all the efficiencies in doing it. Okay? So, for example, let's just talk about the morning routine. I always tell you this is a 30-minute thing without a shower. If you're going to take a shower and wash your hair, add 30 more minutes. You can do it. Okay, so you're going to get up in the morning, you're going to make your bed. How long does it take you to make your bed? If it's taking you more than 5 minutes, there's something wrong. You may be a perfectionist. Are you stripping the sheets all the way off to the fitted sheet and straightening out every single little wrinkle? Are you putting on the second sheet and smoothing it out perfectly and making perfect hospital corners? Are you putting the next thing on, and then the pillows have to be just right, and you've adjusted them 40 times, and then you're putting on 1,000,000 pillows and they have to be just right? If you're doing that, you're a perfectionist. Listen, don't feel bad. I've caught myself many times rearranging the pillows, pulling the corner up, tweaking it a little bit. Maybe it's OCD, I don't know. But whatever it is, I have to say, step back, let's go on to the next thing. When you make your bed, if you make it so perfectly that there's absolutely nothing on, it's like the way they make it in the army, you know, you could bounce a quarter off of it. The second you sit your bottom on it, it's ruined. So why are you doing that? Just pull the sheets up. Yeah, get the wrinkles out. Don't have anything balled up under there, but pull it up, pull the sheet up. You don't have to pull it all the way off. Just straighten it up wherever it is. Pull the covers over, put the pillows on, and go about your business. Let's talk about putting on your makeup. Remember I told you we were going to do 5-minute makeup? 5 minutes. You look beautiful with 5 minutes worth of makeup. Now, if you're going for a job interview, or you have a special party to go to, or something that's really a wedding that you're attending, that's different. Maybe you want to put on some different kind of makeup. For me, that would mean eyeliner, that would mean lip liner, that would mean gloss, maybe a little highlighter, you know, but regular 5-minute makeup it includes my moisturizer. I put moisturizer under my eyes. I put a special formulation on my skin, and then I put moisturizer over that and on my neck. I put a special lip stuff on my lips. Then I put on my foundation. I put highlighter under my eyes. I put on powder to set all that. I put on blush, and I put on mascara, and I put on lipstick. But you know what? None of it takes a long time. I could take forever putting on my lotion. Putting on my lotion. Putting on, we don't have time for that. And you'll get it on your face just the same. If your face is clean, put it in your hand, rub it around, put it on. Try to go up, but put it on. For your eyes, put some on your fingers, put it under here. You're done. Your lips, quick. Your highlighter under your eyes, I have it in a little stick, dot, dot, dot. I use a little sponge, 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 sponge. It doesn't take long. It takes about 5 minutes to get your makeup on. Don't think you have to curl your eyelashes and put on eyeliner and all that. Now I realize you may need some brows. Some people have blonde brows. I could use a little help on mine from time to time, but usually because of my glasses, I don't. But remember what you're putting this makeup on for. You're putting it on for you, and you're putting it on to go to the grocery store, to clean your house, to play with your babies, to go to work and do your regular everyday work. After you've done your makeup, then you put your clothes on. You don't have to take forever. After you've done that, you're going to wipe the sink and swish the toilet and hang up the towel. Make sure your PJs are put away. If you took a shower and you have to blow your hair dry and curl it, do it. Don't waste a lot of time doing it. Just do it. I have super thick hair. Look at this. Very thick hair. Lots of it. And it takes me about 15 minutes to dry it and about 5 minutes to curl it with a curling iron. So that's 20 minutes. The shower takes about 5 minutes, maybe 10. So I'm giving you 30 minutes. It doesn't take that long. And I shave my legs too. It doesn't take that long. Don't piddle around. Get it done. Be focused. So are you focused? Are you really focused? If you take your day and you say, these are all the things I have to do today, and this is going to take me 30 minutes or an hour. And if you have children, add another 30 minutes to it because they have to go through their morning routine and you're going to shuffle them through that, right? That 30 minutes includes emptying your dishwasher and starting breakfast and having some coffee. You could do all that. You can't read your Bible during this time. You can't walk the dog during this time. You can't go to the gym during this time. This is not the time for that. If you want to read your Bible in the morning, and it is imperative for you to do that, then get up earlier and read your Bible first. And then do these things. Because once you start rolling, you got to roll. And set your timer on your Bible. Because I know how it is when you read the Bible. You can just stay lost in it. And before you know it, an hour and a half is gone and you haven't done anything, and it's time for the kids to be eating breakfast. So, if you need to exercise, if you feel that's imperative to you, then you have to get up even earlier. Or you can do it at a different time during the day. Just make sure you're focused, okay? All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day. Stay focused, and remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.